Okay, so I got this wireless HDMI set up from Amazon. It was $130, $129 exactly. So what the point, we work at this venue and we want this TV to connect to the computer. The Windows computers don't connect to Apple Play or Apple TV very easily. And we don't want our clients to have to like download stuff. So went ahead and got this. Comes with two of these. This is the receiver one. This one says TX, the other one says LX. There's a little bit of information on the instructions, but it's fairly easy. This is a rat's nest, so I apologize. So this right here just plugs in. It's just a normal one, just like the other one. But this is a receiver. It says RX and RX and TX. Okay, I can't plug that up back in with one hand, but that just plugs into the HDMI right here, HDMI 2. And this can work, I believe, with a battery. So like it gets charged with this USB-C cable. But most TVs have the USB plug, so you just plug it in here. The only reason why I don't want to keep it plugged in all the time is just because it might wear it out. I don't want it to be on 24/7 because it does get a little bit warm, I'm assuming, because it has vents in the back. So it probably builds up a little bit of heat. Anyway, so when you're on the right HDMI, it's gonna say plug and play. So you're gonna go to your laptop, get this guy, pop the cap, and just plug it in like so. It's gonna light up. And it's still not gonna work. So you gotta plug in the USB-C over on this side. Actually, it is working already. Because it has a little bit of battery life in it. But I think it doesn't really explain it very well, but the USB-C is just to make sure that it doesn't die on you. So it can be unlimited. Anyway, so this is the screen here. And now it's working there. Oh, it cut off. Plug and play. Okay, and it just fell asleep, I guess. I didn't change anything. I just touched the keyboard. If there's any instructions on here that you don't understand, or if it's not working, there should be instructions on the screen. That's what it did for me. And there's also an instruction thing that it comes with, which is actually in English, which is awesome. And the only thing that I noticed that could be messing with it a little bit is it will automatically not get linked. Sometimes it will become unlinked. So you have to go through these little settings in here to go to pairing instructions, and it goes through how to pair it. You just use the one that's connected to the TV, press that for 3 seconds, hold it down, and then it'll say start pairing, and then you hold this one down, the button right here, for 3 seconds, and then it will pair. You have to do it in that order. You can't do it backwards. I found that out. I was sitting here for a while waiting to get on it to pair. So click on start. It's saying to click on that, which you can, but it's not going to make any difference. It's just that it's not receiving a signal. So just wake up the camera, and there you go. So it's a little bit of a delay, but as you can see, like I'm using this right here, it's pretty responsive. If I press the space bar, it's pretty responsive. So it's not too bad. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy the video. There's a lot of crap out there, and so far this one seems pretty good. I just opened it, so I don't know, but it's working as it's supposed to. So that's more than I can say for a lot of stuff. All right, thanks for watching.